Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I was so delighted to be asked by Coco and Reno to be their guest designer for their design team. If you don't know Coco and Reno, they have some fantastic dyes that you could use in all of your projects. They're fun to use as well, and they cut really well. I will also put the link down below for their website, and if you do subscribe with Coco and Reno, you will receive exclusive Coco and Reno cutting dyes each month. So just head down to their online store, and it'll give you all the information that you need to do to subscribe. So I have received their Make It for this month, and it's the layered flowers. And when you do subscribe and you receive your monthly kits, they will come packaged really lovely in their lovely packaging like this one. And you also get their beautiful pouch as well, and you can place all your dyes in their pouch, and they're nice. It's nice and thick, and it's a really a fun little pouch as well. So that's how your dyes will come packaged. And so for the month of May, these are the layered flower set that you will receive. And also you have, from today, you've got 5 days left to subscribe to receive the Make It if you head over to their online store. So with this one here, they're the layered flowers. You get 13 pieces in the kit. You get these lovely leaves, and these are flower dyes as well. And I'll also show you some of the projects that I've made with these layered flowers. So these were fun, and I'll just show you how they look like when you cut it out with your die cutting machine. So with the flowers, I've got some here already cut up. So that one there is this one here. I don't know if you can see how the shape looks like, but that's that one. So it's a lovely size as well. And then there is this one here, which is that one. And I'll just show you the one that's that one there is this one here. And then you get the bases of the flowers as well that you could place for your the intricate flowers that you die cut. So that's the base, and then you can just layer that on the top. You don't have to use those if you don't want to. You can just keep them plain like that. So they're the flower dyes, and these are the leaves. So you get a whole heap of fun shaped leaves as well to work with. So you get this one here, which is that one. I've cut up a whole heap in here so I could use them in my projects. And this one here is that one. And then there is this one here. That's that one there. And then you get these other fun shaped leaves as well. I'm also going to show you what you can make, or what I had made with the flower die set. So I did post this on my Instagram, and you can have a look there as well. I made a fun shaker, and this is the flower shape that I placed and embellished in front of the shaker, which is this one, the middle one there, and then that's the base at the back. And these are the leaves that I've placed behind the flower as well. So that was a fun project to make with the flower. I've also made these as well. I made a few of these to keep on hand for my other projects. So that one is the middle one, and this flower here is this one down here. And then I've placed some leaves on the back. So that's those. And then I made some embellished treat bags as well with the flowers. So that's one of them. This is probably my favourite flower to work with. I do love this shape, which is the top one there. And then I've used some vellum for the back base of the flower. And then that leaf is this one here. So I've placed that on the back. I've added some sequins and a stamp. And this is the other one, which is that middle one here. And these are the different shaped leaves as well. And then I just stamped thank you on that, and that's using the Fiskars stamp sentiment set that I've got here. And these treat bags are made using my 6x6 paper, and I'll also put the link down below for my tutorial on how you can make these fun treat bags with your 6x6 paper and no scoreboard. Very easy to make as well. And then all I've done was I've just used my Fiskars scalloped decorative scissors to cut the top part of the treat bag as well. So you could do that as well. And these were fun to make, and that's what I had done with these flowers and embellished the treat bags. And I thought I'll just quickly show you how I had made these flowers in a like a dimensional look, and I'll just show you how I had done that, which I'm just going to grab a couple of these. So I've got the flower here, and then I've got the matching base, and just to give it that dimensional look like I've got here, all I had done was I've got a paintbrush that's sort of easy for you to curl, just a nice thin one, and then all I've done was just curl it around just like that, and that will just give you a nice sort of dimensional look to your flower. So as you can see, I mean, you can leave it flat if you wanted to and not curl it, but I think it gives you more shape to your flower. So that's all I've done there. And then the same with the base. I've just grabbed each of the petals, just sort of curled them up like that. And just keep going around. And then I'll just grab a bit of glue and just place it in the middle. And then just sort of finding where, I mean, you don't have to line them up and match them up, but you can place them anywhere you like. And I might actually place it so that it matches with the base. And then I've just gently placed that in the middle. And then all I've done next is I'm going to use my glue dots. These glue dots are fantastic for your sequins. So I'm just going to place one of my sequins as a center. So I'm just going to rip one of my glue dots out. I'll place my sequence on the glue dot, peel that off, and then place it on there. These glue dots are so fun to use because they adhere really well to your projects as well. I'm just going to grab one more glue dot, which is just there. Now these are also perfect for your little sequences like that. I just stuck it on there, peel it off, and then place it, and then it's done. Instead of using glue, trying to get it stuck on, and that's all there is to that. And I might just grab one of my leaves. I'll use this gold one, and I'm going to use my larger size glue dot, which is the 1/2 inch circle. I don't know if you can see it on here, but I'm just going to grab one of those. So I'll place my leaf on the glue dot, peel it off, and then I can just then place it where I want. And that's done, and I can use that now in my other projects. So that's how I had done my little flower leaves and give it a more dimensional look. So I wanted to share with you guys these fun dies by COCO and Reno. Again, I'll put the link down below for you. You've got 5 days for this month if you want to receive your May kit, which are the layered flowers. And yes, so subscribe to them and you will receive all of their fun die kits. And I hope you enjoyed my quick little project, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.